sweets, back with another video. This is part of their Sleeklay collection from Outre. This is Vernisha. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Got her in a color number 1. We're just going to quickly take her out of this box. Here is the unit. She's very pretty. I thought she was silky, but she has a little bit of texture to her. This is the inside of the cap. We have 2 combs on either side. We also have a comb in the back area, and it does come with adjustable straps. Here is our deep parting. That parting is pretty good. It goes back very far. I really like that. Yes. And here is our stock card. Very pretty, very workwear type wig that I think. And it has some nice colors. And here is the inside of the stock card. So here is our unit before I get to manipulating it. Here is that hairline. It looks okay, but I'm going to just pluck it a little bit. That part looked really good, but I think I want to just go in and just kind of straighten it up a little bit. And here's the hairline on the other side. This is like a cute beginner friendly wig, so not much to do, but I just want to clean her up a little bit because I got a special event that I think I want to wear her to. All right, loves, we are back. I have went ahead and gone and manipulated her the way that I want her. I have to actually say she is going to be quite sexy. She feels like real hair. She's silky, but got that yucky feel to her, if that makes sense. So I got all my little curls and all my little bumps up here. I done went ahead and cut off that lace. Yes. I just got to add some powder to that parting area. Okay. I'm going to do a little 360. This is what she's looking like. Okay. Look how soft. Look at that. You can't tell me that when I put this on, it ain't going to look like my real hair. Okay. This is hitting in every way. Very beginner friendly. I can't wait for the install. All right, love, so we are back. So we are going to install this beautiful unit, and as you can see, I done prepped her and I am ready to just kind of throw her on and go. That's the reason why I like prepping my wigs offline first, so that way when I put them on, all the hard work is already done and I pretty much just got to get to the good stuff. See, already, look at that hairline. Yes, baby. And them curls that I put in there is going to make her look so sexy. Very classy. Yes. Nice beginner friendly wig, work wig. You can even kind of dress this up because I got the curls in her and make her into a good date night. But look at that. Very nice. Now I see that lift up right there. That's what I was looking. I was like, can I wear her glueless? I was like, but I got to put that part down. And like I said, I thought she was silky, but she does have some texture to her. Very pretty. And look at them curls. This wig holds curls very well. I am super excited for this, y'all. This is going to be very sexy. Period. Yes. And then off to the side here, you're going to see me turn around with her. She has very good density. Yes, so I'm just going to go here and apply some of my powder just to hide some of them knots in the wig. Yes, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And I'm going to also go around the hairline from the wig, just put my makeup around it, just making it look a little bit better. Now I want to go in and make sure that I get that laid down very flat so that you don't see any demarcation in there from the lace to my forehead. Yes, she is going to be a headbanger. So here she is finished. Yes, she turned out beautiful, you guys. Let's talk about it.
Hi, sweets. Welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for another quick drip. This cutie little booty on my head is a head banker. This is a quick and a bomb beginner friendly wig, okay? So if you want something that's quick and easy and just to kind of hop on and slay and go, let's talk. Let's get into these specs. So we hopping right into it, loves. This is another wig from Outre, okay? And this is part of their Sleeklay part collection, okay? And hopefully I'm pronouncing her name right. Y'all know they be coming up with some doozy with this name. I think her name is Vernisha, okay? And she's 18 inches and I got her in the color number 1, okay? This is a great beginner friendly wig. If you're looking for something to look together, okay, like on a Zoom call, or if you are out here trying to find another job, second job, or even trying to get another job from the pandemic, this is a great, beautiful wig that you can hop on and look together, period, okay? Let's get into these specs. So as always, I bought this off of divatress.com. I will leave all the links below of where I can find her, especially if you're trying to get her like an overnight. Normally, most of the time I can find most of these wigs that I do on Amazon. So I make sure to link that down there as well. Divatress, they ship pretty quick. You know, sometimes I really don't have a whole lot of lag time. And, you know, Amazon ain't really been Prime anymore. Okay, period. Just saying. But if you're looking for something like I need to have it the next day because I got an interview or something, like I said, this is a good work type wig, I got you. So like I said, this is Outre's and this is part of their Sleeklay synthetic lace wig collection. And this is Vernisha. Again, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. She is a premium synthetic fiber. She is, when I took her out of the package, I was a little taken back because I was like, this feels silky to me. But she's silky with some texture, okay? If that kind of makes sense. She's not a full yaki. She does have some of that silkiness to her, but she's beautiful. She's very soft, okay? This, you couldn't tell me that this ain't my hair, okay? She is very soft, pretty. Like I said, she has some of that silkiness, but it's got a little bit of texture in there as well. It says she's HD transparent. It says that she has a hand-tied deep C lace part. The parting area is very deep back there, which I did like that. And it says that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. That's about it for the description, y'all. This wig, like I said, is beautiful. Now, you don't have to do everything that I do for my wigs. I love prepping my wigs. So, like, when I come and put them back on, it's like I can put them on and it's like it's going to stay in this state. Okay, once I take this wig off and even put it back in, put it in the bag and then put it back on for my next time, it's pretty much gonna stay in the state that it is now because I got all of that hairspray and stuff in there. So I can easily take this off, put it in the bag, and then take it out of the bag and put it back on, and it's gonna stay just like this. So that's what I found that's kind of best for me when wearing these wigs, and I don't feel like getting up in the morning prepping them. I just kind of want to put it on and be out and go. But to each his own. Like I said, if you're a beginner friendly person, you're just trying to figure out how to manipulate these wigs, you can easily take this out of the box, spray it with some tint, and kind of take that lace off, stick it on, and be out the door. But for me, it's like I want to do a little bit more with my wigs, so that I do. But it's all about your comfort zone and what you want to do with these wigs. But this is a great, like I said, easy, kind of going, beginner friendly, not having to do a lot, pretty much kind of get up and go. This is a wig for you. So you guys all know what we do on this channel. She's either a slay or nay. Comment below. She is a slay for me. She still has some good colors. I'm gonna go back in there and cop a few. I think one of the other colors I want is that DRFF Black Cherry. And I might get that DR Chocolate Swirl. Yeah, those are looking kind of cute. I might go back and cop those because I'm really liking this. It's like, you know, I'm looking for, like I said, something easy, quick, kind of throw on and type go. She's not that long. She's not hot. She's very lightweight. So this one is a banger for me. Okay. If you are new here and you just slid in for this video, please give us a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you got your notification bells turned on so when I upload a new video, you can see what's the tea that she's about to bring you with these wigs. Okay. And until next time, my sweets, hit me over on TikTok if you want to know what I'm doing. See you in the next video. Bye.